Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a three-part series on a crash course in Anarcho Transhumanism. Let's go. So you guys should know right from the beginning that I'm not an anarchist or transhumanist. This means that some of the points expressed in this video series will not be said with as much passion or with as much accuracy as others who are of such a persuasion. Most of the talk around this ideology discusses the concept of transhumanism, which is the betterment of the human condition through the merging of technology, rather than the social and theoretical foundations that brings one to this ideology. This being said, I will be presenting some of the analytical tools and some of the things I've noticed about this ideology. Due to the lack of theory in this school of thought, I've taken the liberty of connecting the dots. This field of thought is important for a social analyst to be aware of because it demonstrates some of the extremes at which arguments for availability of information and medical care are. It is also useful to be aware of it because it appropriately addresses the concept of how ideas are being shaped and how conflict starts at the individual physical level. So, anarcho-transhumanist thinker William Gillis defines anarcho-transhumanism as the recognition that social liberty is inherently bound up with material liberty, and that freedom is ultimately in a matter of expanding our capacity and opportunities to engage with the world around us. So, this is from his essay, "What is Anarcho-Transhumanism?" which is also the title of this slide. Not really related, but I guess it is. Practically speaking, this means that anarcho-transhumanists advocate for enabling the disabled and are against the capitalist system where there are wages based on ability. They mean that if one individual is more talented than another at a single job, it is morally wrong to pay him more since he did not earn it. Rather, the skill was an endowment based on his genetics. Likewise, anarcho-transhumanists advocate for all forms of social liberation that may handicap people based on involuntary birth characteristics. So some of the ideological features of anarcho-transhumanism are transhumanist class analysis, which is something that I'm going to, show as in it's really a bunch of ideas of William Gillis that I'm kind of going and condensing into one presentation. The concept of social singularity and control, and the approach of a post-scarcity economy. So these topics will be introduced with a little bit of math, and this is done to express the points in a concise and exact manner so you guys go get a better understanding of what's going on here. So that's the introduction to this video series. I will see you in the next video. Take care.